Hello, I'm Nathaniel, and today I'm now going to do MAT question C 2022. The equation of this is the equation of a circle for, well, since it is a quadratic equation in two variables, which is not homogeneous, therefore we can calculate it's a conic section of sorts. What is a conic section? It's basically a quadratic curve, and all these can be obtained by slicing a cone in one way or another. So at the case where x squared is, the coefficient of x squared is 1 and the coefficient of y squared is 1, you also have a circle. So what are we now going to do? Since we know that the circle is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared, we need to complete the square for x on the previous side. So we have x minus 2k squared, because minus 4k divided by 2 is minus 2k. Then you have minus 4k squared. And then you complete the square for y, doing the same. At 8 equals to k cubed minus k. If you add all this up, then you have x minus 2k squared plus y minus 2 squared, and then bringing all the other terms to the other side, and you have k cubed plus 4k squared minus k minus 4. But this can be factorized to k squared minus 1 k plus 4. Now what we have here is a cubic equation, so we are going to plot now k squared minus 1 k plus 4. As k approaches infinity, the cubic function should approach infinity because all the k's are positive. So we have roots at negative 1, 1, and negative 4. So if it goes down, it will approach negative infinity. Then negative 1, 1, and then go all the way up, all the way to infinity. Since the radius cannot be negative, we can conclude that the answer is B. If and only if either minus 4k minus 1 or k is greater than 1. And to prove this to you, I'm going to use Desmos graphing calculator. As you can see, k equals to 0. Now, if we move all the way back to negative 10, we don't see any circle. However, if we go 4, let's see, 4, then you will see a single point. Then the circle will increase in size until it goes to negative 1. Then it collapses to a single point again. Then there's absolutely no circle until k equals to 1, where it's just a single point. And then you go all the way up. Then you see more circle and more circle. Obviously there's no circle you can see here because it's just under the confines of the graph space. There we go, there's a circle. Well, that's it. See you in another MAT video.